Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Mi 11 Lite, and today I will show you how easy you can find sound settings. So at first you have to go for the settings, move to the sound and vibration, and as you can see here we got the volume level of calls, alarm and music. We can adjust sound assistant options. We can activate silent and do not disturb mode. We can also adjust vibrations. We can change haptic feedback level, and in the additional settings we can find things like delayed sound, screenshot sound or screen locking sound. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and of course subscribe to our channel.